The Creative London Summer School at ESCP Europe is an opportunity for students at every level, a wide variety of levels, to come in and discover one of the most creative cities in the world. It's designed for people who are interested in releasing their creative potential, who are interested in career in branding or marketing, and want to really discover the latest things that are going on.
I decided to take this course because I am currently making a master's degree in business, and I thought that this could make a good complement for the preparation of my profile.
I want to use the English as a tool to explore more about business.
I'm interested in marketing, advertising and brands and how they grow. So I thought it would be interesting to do something in that direction, and also I like to go to another country.
We had many great sessions like marketing, communications, problem solving and decision making, public speaking and presentation skills. It was really helpful.
It was quite instructing to talk about brand building and gaming as well. That was a very useful course.
This is a great program, a 2-week program. It's not just lectures and talks. There are visiting speakers from leading creative companies. There are visits to outside locations where we see brands at work, to startups, to cultural places.
I found good the balance between classes and outside experiences. Having the mix of the two of them, it was very well done, I think.
The best thing was the theory taught with the practical blend. Because just learning theory, but how it works in real life, if you don't know that, it makes no sense of learning a theory.
You manage to find many people from many different countries who have many different backgrounds and who help you to see the world in different ways, and that's very valuable.
I think we've had a really successful 2 weeks. It's always fantastic at the end then to see the group, their confidence, their strength, what they're going to present as a result of their work, and to know that they're going home with lots of new experiences and lots of new knowledge.
I will definitely recommend this course for the people who want to gain perspective, who want to gain experience and learn real-time problem-solving skills.
I learned a lot and I experienced a lot. Maybe it's beyond my words.